I'm going to show you a couple of worked examples to use this latent heat equation. So I've got my table which has got in it the values for the latent heat diffusion for some of the substances that I might need. It's got water, oxygen and silver. And then have a look at this worked example first of all. So these are both written out on the worksheet for you as well as on this video. It says calculate the energy released when 100 grams of steam condenses. What I need to do first of all is write my equation out. So the equation's on the PowerPoint slide, but it's energy required is equal to the mass times by the specific latent heat. And because this is steam condensing, it's the specific latent heat of vaporization. What I need to do now is I need to work out what values I am going to substitute into this equation. So it's the energy released or the energy required that I'm going to work out. So I don't need to rearrange because that's already the subject of the equation. The mass, it's telling me just here the mass is 100 grams. And the specific latent heat, I'm going to use the table to find that out. So because it's vaporization and because it's steam, I need to look at the water column, and I'm going to use this number here, the latent heat of vaporization, 2,260,000. And that's in joules per kilogram. Because it's in joules per kilogram here, I also want my mass to be in kilograms. So I'm going to convert this 100 grams into kilograms. So I can do that just by saying that it's 0.1 kilograms. All I do then is I can put that into a calculator if I need to, or you might just be able to do that one in your head, but I'll show you on the calculator. So 0.1 times by 2,260,000, which gives me 226,000, and it's an energy, so it will be in joules. That way I've done my equation, substitute, calculate and units, if you like to use the SQ.